Good afternoon, Joe Walker here at Glen Echo. It's St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, and we're beginning our spring aeration. We're doing a lot of different things today to the greens. We won't get a lot done today, maybe 6 to 8 greens completed. But right now, I see in the background, Jason is using our vertidrain machine, which is attached to the tractor. And we're using a 1/2-inch tine going about 8 or 9 inches deep. And the spacing is about 2.5 to 3 inches. And this provides some deep channels through the sand profile. We have about a 4-inch to 5-inch sand profile. And then we have what they call the push-up part of the green, which is the old green from back in the day when this green was built, probably back in, I believe this green was built in the late 20s or 30 when the clubhouse was changed around. So that sand, or that soil, has been there forever, and we try to poke holes all the way through it to provide some additional drains. These greens have no drains, as we've talked about. The only way they drain is down through the sand profile, and they hit the soil profile, and then hopefully there's some holes with sand that can allow the moisture to settle through the soil profile. But if not, then they go out the plane of the green, depending upon what direction the green is flowing, which most of the time they flow from back to front, sometimes from side to side as well. So this part of the action takes us about 30 to 40 minutes, and I'll have some other pictures and other video for the day of what else is going on. Ahead of time, we were mowing the greens, then verticutting the greens, and then top dressing the greens ahead of it. Then this operation, then we're blowing the sand into the holes, which I have a picture of. We'll put a little micronutrient product down to go into the holes to provide us with a little bit of nutrition throughout the season. And we brush the greens then is our final touch, and then we roll them to smooth them out. So that's the process we're doing today. It takes probably an hour and 20 minutes to an hour and 40 minutes per green total, from start to finish. It all doesn't happen within an hour and 20, hour and 40 minutes. We've got guys spread out all over the golf course doing different jobs. We only have about 7 guys on this operation right now today. But we'll just give you a little video here of what was going on. Let me actually grab the camera here and move a little bit. Try not to make you too seasick, but we'll give you some up-close video of the work that the vertidrain is doing. Greens are actually pretty soft. Cold, hard winter. You can see machine, our 6 arm, 4 tines per arm. Puts the whole steel rod about 12 inches long, goes down into the green 8 or 9 inches, and actually you can clearly see the green heave. Let me get up here a little closer. See the green kind of pull up and heave. The operation going. That fractures the soil down below, which is what we need. We need that soil to fracture a little bit, provide channels, especially during the springtime when we have heavy rains, to help the greens drain. You can see Jason's about 3/4 of the way finished with this green. He'll be moving on to the 3rd green. We finished 1, practice green in 1. The guys are finishing up on 1 right now. Late start because of heavy cold this morning, about 19, 20 degrees, and took forever. The greens actually froze on top, so it took forever for us to get started, but once we get going, we roll along pretty good. While others are out enjoying St. Patty's Day, we're going to be here working till dark, so hope you have a great day.